Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to talk about the print-on-demand production partner, Printify. Now, if you've never used Printify, it's free to sign up. Of course, I'll put a link in the description, but what we're going to do in this video is we're going to look at the top 3 best-selling products that somebody that works at Printify told me about, because I said, hey, I'm willing to talk about Printify on the YouTube channel, but give me something to work with. I want to know some interesting data points that I can share. And they went ahead and they gave me 3 of the top selling products that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So why don't we get started? Quick reminder, take advantage of the free weekly print-on-demand giveaway. You can find a link at the top of the description. This week is sponsored by Merch Titan's Upload Automation, Merch Ninja Research Tools, All Sunsets Premium Graphics, and Bubble Scout, the only Redbubble niche research and validation tool. Shout out to all the sponsors. The 2 winners will each receive a license to all of the print-on-demand tools. All right, so Printify, by the way, as mentioned, I put a link at the top of the description in case you want to go sign up. It's free to sign up, and you only pay after you make an order. So as long as you price your products properly, you price in some profit for yourself, you should operate at a profit the entire time that you're using Printify to fulfill your products and start your print-on-demand business. Guys, I mean, another reason why print-on-demand is so special, how many business opportunities out there exist where you can start today, have access to such a wide array of products to sell, and you're in the hole $0. You know what I mean? Let's say you start your Etsy shop and use Printify to fulfill. You're in the hole 20 cents per listing. That's it, just 20 cents. So you sell 5 products, you've paid $1. You know, you spent a whole $1 to start your business, and you've got 5 products available for sale to a global audience on one of the biggest e-commerce websites. And you can get that done in like an hour. I mean, I'm saying an hour, and that's padding the time it actually takes. You can get it done in like 20 minutes. All right, so you can tell I get excited thinking about just this opportunity is just crazy. So let's look at Printify popular product type number 1. And I don't believe these are in any specific order, by the way. So this is just the order that I received them in the email. Yes, the first product type is, drum roll, it is ceramic white mugs. I would say black mugs as well, but I didn't see the black mugs listed. So the white ceramic mugs, by the way, typically in my experience, roughly, I'd say majority of the time, if you sell a black coffee mug, it's probably going to cost you a little bit more than a white coffee mug. I'm guessing maybe that they start out white and then the black mugs are dyed black, so there's a little bit of an extra cost associated. However, I have seen certain production partners that sell coffee mugs where the white and the black cost the same, but that's rare. I think it was Custom Cat that does that. Anyways, Printify. So this was from my contact at Printify. They said that coffee mugs are definitely amongst the best sellers across the board. That's how I got my personal start with print on demand. I would say non-Amazon merch print on demand, because I actually started print on demand with Amazon merch and then figured out, oh yeah, you can also sell print on demand products on Seller Central. So another way of accessing Amazon's massive catalog, occupying as much internet real estate as possible with products for sale. And I was like, all right, well, it's like, boom, light bulb goes off. I'm going to take my t-shirt designs, which are optimized in vertical boxes, and then I'm going to list them on coffee mugs, which are optimized for vertical boxes. Hey, perfect fit, right? So I went ahead and I did that, and the rest is history, right? That was back in 2017, and I never gave up. I never quit. I never stopped. Just kept pushing. You know what I mean? I have this belief in me that if I can occupy more internet real estate with things for sale, that I will make more money than if I had less things for sale, right? Simple logic. Things should be easy. It should make sense, right? So coffee mugs, 11 ounce is kind of the default size. If you're a coffee drinker, you probably want that 15 ounce at least, if I had to guess. I know that 11 ounces to me is not very much liquid. So yeah, I prefer the 15 ounce, but you know, just throwing that out there. I'm sure you could probably list a 15 ounce as well as an 11 ounce. Typically you can access both sizes. And if we go down to the print providers on Printify, you can see District Photo rated 9.7. They're charging a base cost of $4.40 per mug. Shipping starts at $4.79. Shipping for coffee mugs, guys, as you would imagine, is going to be a little bit more expensive than when you're shipping something like a t-shirt, because there's typically extra, I mean, there pretty much is guaranteed to be some either extra padding or some additional I've seen a lot of different ways that these companies that ship them out prep their mugs. If you missed my video on Custom Cat, they actually have their own little proprietary way of packing the mugs. And I went out to the balcony behind me and I threw them off the balcony and hit the concrete like about pretty tall ceilings here, probably like, I don't know, 16 feet at least, maybe 17, 18 feet from the top of the balcony. And one of them broke, and I think 3 or 4 of them did not break. So it's pretty impressive how they had the mugs packaged. Anyways, I digress. They have a fulfillment partner in the United States. They also have one in Australia, it looks like. All right, and then boom, you can go to Amazon. I just typed in funny coffee mug, and you can see that there is no shortage of funny coffee mugs selling on Amazon. You're badass. Keep that ish up. They have a Halloween mug that somehow popped up towards the top of page 1. They have one that says, "Dear Mom, I love how we don't have to say out loud that I'm your favorite child." Amazing. $6 mug. How the heck are they charging $6 for that mug? And then the first one says, "Rise and shine, mother cluckers," with a really cool graphic of a hen. Well done. All right, number 2 best-selling product on Printify. We have the unisex soft style t-shirt, the Gildan 64,000. By the way, you guys that subscribe to the channel, love you guys. Thank you for that. You already know I'm a big fan of the Gildan 64,000. It's not that I'm not a fan of like the Bella Canvas 3001, but the Gildan 64,000, it's soft. Number 1, it is called a soft style t-shirt and it lives up to the name. But number 2, I like the way it fits. Like, I guess I definitely got bigger arms than the model in that shirt, because when I put a Gildan 64,000 on, it's snug on the biceps. So I like the way I look in the shirt, like genuinely. I mean, whenever I'm designing clothes for myself that I want to wear, I put it on the Gildan 64,000. So I really like the dark heather as well. That was a new addition to Printful. And I'm sure some of, or probably most of, the Printify production partners that have the Gildan 64,000 also offer that. It's worth noting that with Printify, the production partners that you use will charge variable amounts often. It's never a guarantee, but often, based on not only the size of the shirt that your customer ordered, but also the color. So you got to factor that in when you're pricing your products, because you do not want to lose money. And sometimes it can vary big time. Like sometimes like the white color shirt is super cheap, but then any other colors like $3 more. So you just got to pay attention depending on who you are using primarily to fulfill your orders. Okay, so here are a couple of the big names on Printify as far as fulfilling the Gildan 64,000s. You got My Locker, which pricing starts at $10.34, shipping from $4. You have Print Geek based on Canada. Pricing starts at $8.56 USD. They converted it for us. Shipping starts at $7.50 because they got to ship out of Canada. And then SwiftPOD, I believe, is the cheapest option, thus making it probably the most popular option. They offer it in 12 colors. It's kind of behind my chair here. 6 sizes, ranging from small to 3XL. You can print on the front and the back. The average production time, 2.21 business days. So they're very fast over there. Well done, SwiftPOD. And pricing starts at $6.55, shipping from $4.80. Okay, and then I went to Etsy. I typed in funny graphic t-shirt, and then boom, of course, so many options, guys. This could be you. You can get started today. No, I'm not trying to sell you anything. You can literally, like I said, click the link in the description, open a Printify account for free, go to Etsy. Again, oh, by the way, I said that you listed your 5 first listings, it cost you $1, but I can actually put a link so that if you start selling on Etsy right now using that link, you get 40 free listings. So there's no excuses. Just go. It's free. All right. You only pay when you need to pay your production partner to fulfill an order, but you've already priced your profit in. I just love print on demand, guys. Come on. There's endless ideas too for funny t-shirts. I mean, come on. I just typed in funny graphic shirt. You can scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll. And there's like infinite ideas for funny t-shirts, right? And everybody on earth owns at least 1 coffee mug and at least 10 t-shirts. All right. Maybe not everybody on earth, but you get what I'm saying. All right. Number 3, most popular product types on Printify. And this one is not what it looks like. Okay. This is a raglan shirt, but no, raglan shirts are not that popular. Anybody who's on Amazon merch trying to sell the raglan shirts there already knows raglan shirts are not easy to sell. The point of them sending this product was they said that the triblend shirts and really just the triblend clothing in general sells extremely well. And you know what's funny? is I love the triblend myself. The last order that I made for myself for shirts that I just want to wear because I love, well, funny designs on the opposite end, but also just, I realized I order the triblends. I didn't even think about it, but yeah, the triblends are my go-to pretty much whenever they're an option. So here you're seeing the Bella Canvas. I cut out from the tag what it says there, but Bella Canvas, basically triblend tank tops. You got like the dark heather gray, you got this red, and then you got the oatmeal. The oatmeal is really nice. I get compliments whenever I wear this one out. And yeah, I mean, in addition to just the fact that the Bella Canvas tank tops fit well, at least they fit me well, the triblends look great. It's soft, it's comfortable, and I don't know if it's in my head, but I feel like the triblends are more comfortable than the solid colors, you know, and again, that could be in my head, but I definitely lean towards favoring the triblends. So guys, if you have the option, definitely list a couple triblends on your Shopify store, your Etsy shop, eBay, wherever it is you're selling. And if you've never had the opportunity to actually like see the finished product, go ahead and place a sample order and see what it's like. See if you agree with me or disagree. As you can see though, I've got a bunch of those triblends, and not just the tank tops too, even the t-shirts work really nice. All right, so here's some of the print providers on Printify. By the way, on Printify, when you find a product type that you like, all you have to do is scroll down, and the print providers will be like the first section you see after the product primary information. And I went to Amazon, I typed in triblend tank top, and you got a bunch of different like graphic designs already made, most likely print-on-demand products available for sale on Amazon. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Before I wrap up, just wanted to remind you, I have a free print-on-demand mini course helping you get set up on Etsy, delivered to your inbox. 1 lesson a day for 8 days, completely free, so take advantage. Link in the description. Also, got a print-on-demand Facebook group if you want to join. That would be awesome. We got a great community. Links in the description. All you got to do is click it and join the group. All right, last but not least, guys, I wrote a full print-on-demand course walking you through how I make 6-figure print-on-demand sales every single year. If you'd like to learn from me, check out the course, see if it's for you. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.